Hey guys, it's your boy Lion GFX of Lion GFX Design Academy. I welcome you all to today's brand new episode of Photoshop tutorial. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to save your files, how to save your documents in Photoshop. Without wasting much of our time, let's get right into business over there. Okay, firstly, if you want to save your file in Photoshop, and the shortcut for saving in Photoshop is Ctrl S, just like every other uh, software. If you want to save your file, the shortcut is Ctrl S. So now I would like to create a new project so I can explain what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah. Now, assume I have created this new file now, then I type something there because once you create this new file, you can't save yet. See there is this save, you can save it before you control it won't work. Then you have to start something first before you start. Okay. Okay. Alright, let me type I am a Nigerian. Then now, since you have started typing something or started your project, then you can be able to save now. You either press Ctrl S. See what if you bring out this dialog box, or you go to this place and press your file and click on save. You can see the shortcut is Ctrl S. Then you click on save now. And this is where you type the name of your project. Maybe I want to design a social media flyer, or I want to design a party flyer. Just a party flyer. Then we look for the folder I want it to be. Then you click on save. You have saved your file now. You have saved it in PSD format. PSD format is the default mode of your Photoshop. That's the default saving file. If you want to save your Photoshop so that you can be able to edit and do any other thing, then you save as PSD. You save as PSD. Another method to save your project is just go to this place and press save as or shift Ctrl S. Click on the save as. Then in this, the difference between that save directly and save as is this: when you click on that save as, you can when you click on save as, you can click on, like, you can make a duplicate of your design when you use save as. So for example, now I want to make a duplicate of this design, then I'll press 2. I'll just save party flyer 2. That means that's the duplicate of the design. Then that means I have to design now, but they are different file. That means I can edit the two design. For example, now let me save this one. Let me save this as PSD. Now if I should come to this open now, I see now we have flyer 2. That means I can click on this one or this one if I want to edit it and make it two different projects. Okay. Now this is the for the starting of your design. Then after you have finished your design, you are done with your design, I want to teach you how to save it and make use of it for your how you can present it to your clients, or you want to save it for your project or save it for printing. Then let's go to this finished project. For example, this is my finished project. I'm done with this project now. So if you want to, there is a link below to follow this process of how I made this design. There's a link that you can take. So if you want to save this file, just go to your file, then you go to export. That means I'm done with my design now. Now I want to save it. Then you go to export as. Can you see now? Then you go to this place. There are different formats you can export. You can export as your PNG, you can export as JPEG, you can export as GIF. This PNG, that means this is mainly for logo. That is, you want to export something in a transparent format that won't make it to have background. This is what you use. There is a link also below if you want to get more about uh, what PNG is all about, what we make use of PNG to, how we can uh, remove background from your logo and make it a PNG format for you to place it on your clothes, on your shoe, on any design you have done, so that it will not have any background transparent. There is a link below to check it out. So we have, let's continue. So we have also JPEG. This is the most famous type of design finishing that we can use. This JPEG and GIF photo. This one is mainly used for animation. If you want your design to move, you want it to like a web banner, that all those adverts you see that moves, GIF is mainly used for that. So JPEG is the most commonly used type of format for printing. If you want to print, if you want to save your design online, social media design, JPEG is mainly used for that. So now, just after you have choose the type of design you want to make and the format you need, then you can now click on export and click on export. Then you write the name of your project, then you make it. I've already made it PNG there, so it's save as PNG, but let's make it JPEG. Then click on JPEG, then you export now. Export. So you see now it's in JPEG, then you can now save. You already saved your project. You already saved it. You can now present it to your clients, and let me show you the back. Good. Okay, this is it. It's saved. Saved now. So you can now present it to your client. All right, now let me put you through another method to save. You go to the file again, export, then you save for web. This one is mainly for people who want to save for online. So the image can be optimized, so it's when you try to upload it on the website or online, it will not make it to be too heavy or too to make your website slow. So this is for web. Then you can come here to save it in different formats, JPEG and GIF, JPEG, PNG, and so forth. So just save this one as PNG. Then you save it now. Save it just like that one too. Just write your the name of your file and save. So that is all for how to save your file on in Photoshop. So thank you for joining us today. And please, if you are joining us for the first time, please subscribe. And if you make this by suggestion, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so you can uh, see our videos anytime we upload. Be the first person to see our video when we upload. God bless you. Thank you. Till we meet again. Peace.